In this video, you will learn the best way to market an e-commerce product. First off, I just want to say good job to all the students in our school community. You have been active and everyone helps each other. I'm very happy for that. So if you have not joined the community, the link will be down in the description or in the comment section. So this is the dress we are going to promote in this video. And before we promote this dress, we will do an competitor analysis through Facebook Meta ad library. So go to Meta ad library. I will do it in Sweden, so I'm choosing Sweden here, and then all ads and search for dress. I'm typing in Swedish like this, and we're gonna search for the most impressions of all ads. So as we can see, the first video that comes up is from this company, Sellbees, and we are going to take inspiration from them. So let's watch the video.
Klänningen man bara drar på sig och plötsligt känns hela sommaren lite enklare. Lätt, sval och så skön att bära. En sån där klänning du kommer vilja ha på dig om och om igen.
So as we can see, there is a woman walking down some rocks on stairs in an island with a dress, and there is a text saying the dress you only take on, and suddenly all the summer feels easier, cold and so nice to wear. It's a dress you would like to have on you again and again. That's it. If you heard, there is a voiceover in this ad.
Klänningen man bara drar på sig.
And there is music. So in our ad we will add a voiceover and music too. I will add my own song, Volcano. Those who know that song, they know it's a really good song. First thing we do, we will download all the images on this product. We will use the white one, so go ahead and download all the images. Next thing we will do is to take snippets from this ad, so go ahead and screenshot, for example, this image. So we take a frame from each scene. Okay, so once you have screenshotted some images from the ad, we will be using them on ChatGPT and tell ChatGPT describe this image. So go to supercomputer, and here we paste each image. Here is the first image I screenshotted, and I will tell ChatGPT I am going to create an ad for a dress. Describe this image so that I can use it on a prompt for my video generation. Let's see how many credits it will use. So we have 2248. So here we have the prompt from ChatGPT in Higgsfield, and now we have 2227 credits left. In my opinion, that's too expensive to use for ChatGPT, so we are going to use ChatGPT in the next images. So let's go to chatgpt.com. So here in ChatGPT, you just press plus sign and add photos. So I have added the next image screenshot I took. I am going to create an ad for this dress, describe this image so I can use it on a prompt for my video generation. Let's go. There you go. We got the answer here. Copy all the answers and save them in a note. So here we have the note. I will just copy this, add it to the note. Scene 2, I will add scene 1 here, and then add the third image. Here ChatGPT asks if you want I can turn this into Kling, Higgsfield or Runaway Ready prompt script. I will say Kling script because we are going to use Kling in Higgsfield. So let's do it. And here we have the Kling prompt. I will add it as scene 3, and then next photo. Scene 5 is next. And here is the last. I added no prompt. Let's see if it's gonna realize what I want. Yeah, there you go. Now we have 6 scenes where we're gonna convert into videos. Okay, so let's go back to Higgsfield. So in Higgsfield we can go to video menu and then Kling 3.0. And here in Kling 3.0 on start frame we just add the photo of the product, and then we add the prompt here. So this will cost 30 credits, but I will go down to 1080. Let's do 3 seconds because it's enough. We can also go down to 720p because it will not make a big difference, but I will be using 1080 because it's not a big difference It's just 1.5 credits extra, so it's okay for me. So let's see what it generates. Okay, so with Kling, this is the result we get. Let's watch. It's not quite the result we wanted. So let's try Seedance 2.0. So let's go to video in the menu and then Seedance 2.0. And now we are at Seedance 2.0. Let's upload the image. Okay, now so we have added the image here on Seedance 2.0. We can go down and change the aspect ratio to 9:16 and then duration to 4 seconds. Let's generate and see what we get. Okay, so the video from Seedance 2.0 is ready. Let's watch it. As we can see, video is good, but the dress is wrong. So what have we learned here? It's we cannot use Kling or Seedance directly for a product ad. So we are going to use Higgsfield Marketing Studio. So let's go to the menu up here and then press on Marketing Studio. Here we will add the same scene. So the first scene, let's add it. And then we're gonna change the product to this dress. I just added the product. It's loading. We add the name. We add the description from the website. Create product. Add the product. And for this we don't actually need an avatar because the avatar will be the girl on the photo. Remove this part. So let's start. Okay, so meanwhile this video is generating, we can actually go back to Higgsfield Video and Seedance 2.0, and here we can see the old video we have created for this dress. You see that it has worked before, and what made it work is this prompt using attachments of the images in the prompt. And this prompt will be available in the school community, so you can just copy it and re-prompt it with ChatGPT for the scene 1. So let's go to ChatGPT and then paste it here and say re-prompt it for this dress and add the photo and instructions and add the scene 1. There you go. This prompt is for Kling, so we tell the ChatGPT create the prompt for Seedance 2.0. We can actually start and testing the video with Kling as well, but for Kling you have to use motion control, and to do that you need the add video. So we can add the video here. There you go, the video is here and the character here. So once you have added the video and the character, we add the prompt. To add the prompt, you click on advanced settings and go down and paste it here and then generate. We're gonna try this with Seedance 2.0 as well and compare. So the video generation with Kling got failed. Let's retry. And meanwhile, this Kling 3.0 video is generating. We can go to Seedance, add the Seedance prompt here on Higgsfield, and we're gonna upload the image and we're gonna tell it use image 1 as the exact dress and create a reference. And we're gonna use the aspect ratio 9:16, 1080p. We can use high bitrate because it doesn't cost extra credits. So let's generate. Okay, so after waiting for a while, we can see that Kling 3.0 failed to generate a video, even though we added the video in motion control and the character. We are not gonna use Kling 3.0. So now you know. We go to our Seedance video here, Seedance 2.0, where we only added the character and the prompt, and we got this video. Let's watch it.
Det här är en sån klädning man bara drar på sig och känner sig fin direkt. Den är lätt, svav och skönbära. Perfekt för säsong, sommarkvällner eller när man bara vill känna sig lite extra fin utan att anströga sig.
The dress is not correct design and the color is not correct. The Swedish is not correct either, but the video is good. With more work we can make this work with Seedance 2.0. And now let's watch the Marketing Studio video. This is the first scene I created and this is the second scene. So let's watch the first.
This lace maxi is my go-to. Deep V, long sleeves, and that slit. So flattering for parties.
This is good video, but it's in English, but I will change it to Swedish. I know the mouth movement is not gonna be correct for the Swedish, but it's okay. It's a subtle thing. People will not notice. Maybe some will, but it's okay. The second scene, let's watch it.
I threw this lace maxo on and instantly felt dressed up. Deep V, long sleeves, cute slit. Perfect for beach dinners.
So as we can see, it's almost the same voiceover, but the girls are different. I think it's okay for the ad that the girls are different. We will see what happens in the third scene. Let's do the third scene. And I just want to say, in the settings, we can change the settings to 720 because it's good enough, and then the duration to 4 seconds, and this will make it cost less. Let's generate the third scene. And in the fourth scene, I will add the model with the product as the avatar as well. So here we go, and see what happens. Let's add the fourth scene and tag the dress with @dress2 and generate. Okay, so now I have generated all the scenes. So this is scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, 6. And then I regenerated scene 1 because her hair color was not correct, and now it is. Scene 5, I will regenerate scene 5 for the hair color as well. Meanwhile, scene 5 is generating. We can watch the rest of the videos. So let's watch scene 3.
This lace maxi is so flattering. Deep V, airy sleeves, and the slit moves beautifully. This lace maxi is so...
It's good. Scene 4.
This lace maxi is my beach to dinner dress. Deep V, long sleeves, and that slit.
5th.
Okay, this lace maxi is my beach to party dress. Deep V, sleeves, and that slit. Obsessed.
Okay, I can see a pattern here. So because we have 4 seconds, they are talking faster, and so let's try 15 seconds. It costs 75 credits to generate a 15-second long video. We will also create a full script. So let's go back to ChatGPT and copy all the scenes and paste it and say create one script for the whole 15-second long video for Higgsfield Marketing Studio prompt. Perfect. Copy this, go back and prompt again a 15-second long video. Okay, so now we have generated the scene 5 again, and as we can see, she has now the correct hair color.
This lace maxi is my go-to. Deep V, comfy sleeves, and the slit is so cute.
And now let's see the 15-second long video for scene 5 prompt.
This lace maxi is my new beach to party dress. Deep V, long sleeves, and the prettiest floral lace. The side slit moves so nicely, and it feels airy, not clingy. I'm obsessed.
Okay, it's good. Scene 5 is good. And now let's see with a full script prompt from ChatGPT.
Det här är en sån klänning när man bara drar på sig och känner sig fin direkt. Den är lätt, svav och skinotbera. Perfekt för simorgon och sommarkvällar. Jag älskar den.
Okay, so as we can see with the full script, it is almost a perfect ad, but the Swedish is not correct, but I will change it and add text overlay on top. I would say both of them are good. So we can take scene 1 again and create a 15-second long video and see what happens. This video with the full script from ChatGPT that we generated is the most accurate and correct one we can use as the ad and as we wanted. But I liked the other one as well. It's a 15-second video, but not with the full script. But if I add Swedish voiceover and text, it can be good too because it has more energy. But my last conclusion is that the one with no full script feels more AI than the one with the full script. The full script is more authentic, I would say. Yeah, in my opinion, 15 seconds videos are the best compared to, for example, as well as the first video we created, it's 8 seconds long. So compared to the inspiration video we did not prompt the exact same things, or we did not tell the AI to say the same things with the same text. It's actually good what she says. I kind of understand it's not fully correct, but it feels better to have your own video ad, so to say, and not just copy directly, you know. So I'm happy with this one. So this is the result we got after prompting scene 1 again with a 15-second long video. Let's watch.
Okay, this lace maxi is my go-to when I want to look instantly dressed up. Deep V, sheer floral sleeves, and that side slip moves so nicely. Perfect for beach dinners, and it's comforty. Trust me, I'm obsessed.
It was not as good as the full script version that is 15-second long, because it has different scenes. As we can see, this one only has one scene with one background. This one, which I like the most, so let's download it and go to CapCut. So in CapCut we add the video and then we write down the text she's saying so that we can use it on a voiceover on 11 Labs. And here on ChatGPT we can see what this AI model is saying. Here is the script and text overlay we're gonna use. So let's copy it and paste it on Notes and go back to CapCut. And then we're gonna add text, first row. Okay, so we have added all the texts. And now we need to remake the voiceover. So we're gonna mute these parts because she is taking a breath here. And let's go to 11 Labs. In 11 Labs we go to text to speech. Okay, so I like Elin the most, so let's use Elin. Download.
Det här är en sån klänning man bara drar på sig och känner sig fin direkt. Den är lätt, sval och skön.
And there we go, we have the full video after adding voiceover and text overlay. This is the final result. Let's watch.
Det här är en sån klänning man bara drar på sig och känner sig fin direkt. Den är lätt, sval och skön att bära, perfekt för semester och sommarkvällar. Jag älskar den.
Perfect. And you will find everything in our school community. If you haven't joined, the link will be down below in the description and in the comment section. I added my song into this ad as well. Only the school community students will see that with the song. So see you there. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something and enjoyed. That's it for this video and see you in the next one.